Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your MacBook has power and a recent backup. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, open System Settings, then General, and choose Software Update to let macOS search for available updates. If an update appears, review its size and description so you understand what changes. You can either install immediately or schedule a restart later. Choose based on how much time you have and whether critical security fixes are included. You tap Update Now or select More Info to choose between incremental updates and a full Mac OS upgrade. Know that full upgrades are larger and take longer. During download, keep your Mac on a reliable Wi-Fi network and attached to power, and make sure you don't close the lid. Interruptions can corrupt the installer. When installation begins, you may be asked for your administrator password. Enter it and let the Mac restart. Do not force shutdown, because once your Mac restarts, sign in and check Software Update to confirm it reports Mac OS is up to date. Review the release notes so you know what changed. Make sure security tools and peripheral drivers are enabled and test critical applications. If something misbehaves, try a simple restart first. If the installer failed, boot into safe mode to troubleshoot extensions, or use Mac OS Recovery to reinstall the OS without erasing your files. This recovery option preserves data while repairing a broken system install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.